You put it on a drill and you just drill the hole by hand. You have to measure, make sure that everything is perfectly aligned. Make sure that you don't go too deep. You can put a stopper on it or on the drill, but that might not do the trick every time. So when you go and install the door, you're gonna have to play with adjustments. So it's a lot of work. And plus, imagine drilling by hand 150 doors with 2-inch hinge holes each. That's a lot of work out there, right there. Then you discover all sorts of jigs that come with a stopper already that you can just clamp it on the door, so you get rid of the measurements. So everything is aligned with the corner of the door and the back edge of the door, but you still have to do all the drilling by hand. So yeah, it's a little bit easier. They will always be aligned. You're never going to punch through the door with a big drill bit, but you still have to do all the whole workout. You take the same drill bit. Once you have a little bit more money and you can afford a press drill, take the same drill bit, you put it in the chuck of the press drill, tighten it, and then that's how you drill the hole. Much easier. It's still manual, but it's because it has a system of gears, and it's much easier to press down. Like super easy. And this is this press drill that does everything that I was doing with the jig or measuring or the drill or the press drill. Everything now is connected to this button. So once the machine is set, I just press the button, goes down, drills the hole, next one. Evolution of just a simple hole for hinge